Here's how to delete drafts on TikTok. It's actually quite easy to do, so make sure you watch the full video and don't skip any important steps. For this, first you will need to open your TikTok app. After signing into your account, now tap on this little profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Then here, as you can see, you will be able to view your drafts at the top. Just tap on the draft and then tap on the select option. After that, select the videos or the drafts that you want to delete. Then to confirm your draft deletion process, tap on the delete option. Once you confirm this step, now your drafts will be deleted and will not be recovered. So before deleting these drafts, make sure that you don't want these. So that's how to delete drafts on TikTok. If you like this video, then don't forget to like it and to subscribe our channel.